TechDeer Robot Vacuum Cleaner Treasure Series with multiplying functions. 350-degree milliliters electro-controlled goldfish water tank. Precise control of water speed and volume. Even and stable water volume. Dry immediately without leaving water stains. Electronic hog route planning technology. Automatic route planning and intelligent navigation allow efficient cleaning and full area coverage. Lithium bilateral brushes expand sweeping areas for dirt particles. Digital VF brushless motor provides 2000 PA strong suction. Thoroughly sweep the floor dust and garbage. Suction mouth designed with golden ratio prevent winding. Collect hair easily. 600 milliliter super large dust box. 3 layers of fine filters to avoid flying dust. Intelligent anti-collision. Automatically slow down when approaching furniture. Turn around when running to steps. Its thin fuselage makes it easy to pass through the bottom of curtains, drapery, bed, etc. Thoroughly clean your home. Automatic charging when power is low and work is done. All-weather mobile app management. Immediate response to job assignments. TechDeer Robot. Intelligent technology creates a better life. Treasure Series. Enjoy life. Enjoy AI.